So let's take a look at how you can embed Pinterest pin into WordPress post using Zion Builder. So first thing, let's go to dashboard and find the page where you wish to add that particular Pinterest pin. Then edit that page with Zion Builder. Now in new tab, you will find your tree view where you have added this section. Then click on that section to edit and add element. Go to element tab, choose content and add custom code. Now here you can increase its length. Then make sure to edit the element and you will find custom HTML, custom PHP option. So we're going to add custom HTML. So let's go to Pinterest, search for any particular pin that you want. Let's say I'm choosing food photography and I will go through a bunch of dishes for you. Okay, so here's the pin. Now I want to add this, so I will choose option to embed pin. So get pin embed code from the menu here. Choose small, medium, large. So you can choose its height and width. So go with medium. Copy this code. Click got it. Then come back to the page where you wish to add that. Paste it. Now apply. Okay, next save and publish the page. Now we'll go back to dashboard, then choose the view for that page, open a new tab. And as you can see, now that pin is embedded into our WordPress page. Similarly, same can be done with WordPress post as well. So you get the idea how to embed Pinterest pin into your WordPress page or post using Zion Builder.